Which reality are you in right now? Which identity are you in right now? And did you know that you get to choose? So many of us are thinking like, I am this kind of way and I got to do all these things. I got to do these 20 steps, these 50 steps, these intense, deep processes in order to be that person, in order to shift into that reality. And that's just not true. I'm going to shatter some paradigms with this one. So keep watching. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliette Cleary. I'm a manifestation coach, helping you to quantum jump into your highest timeline. If you resonate with this message, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe and tap that bell icon. And if you would like to work together, the application is in the description box below, as well as the link to my courses and the link to my meditation channel. Tell me, what reality are you in right now? Pause this and speak it. And then I want you to look at that and comment. Let me know what you've stated in the comment section, please. Did you just say who you think you are based on your current circumstances and your current reality? Did you say who you must be because, or who you're becoming? Because you're doing all these things and you're trying to change. What did you state? Who did you say that you are in this moment? What reality did you say that you're in this moment? And is it based on the past? I made a video recently explaining this, that the present is not a result of the past. It is a result purely of the decision that you make in this moment. The past is not connected to now. Zero connection. It's another timeline. You recreate your past in this moment. And yet many of us will say, I am this kind of person. I'm having this kind of situation. I'm in this kind of timeline. I'm in this kind of reality, based on the past, based on observing seemingly external circumstances, and just deciding to make that assumption. But again, it's a decision that you just made in this moment. So I've been receiving some incredible information recently through different avenues, but also through channeled automatic writing. And basically, I'm just going to give you a little bit in this video. What I received maybe a week or two ago, one of the things that came through was, okay, there is a version of you who has blocks to fix and another who doesn't. Which one are you? And I loved that, because that can be applied to anything, by the way. There's a version of you who's this way. There's a version of you who's that way. Which one are you in this moment? Are you still redefining yourself as this person who needs to figure out all these things, who is stuck in this way, who's had this problem for the longest time? Or are you willing, are you bold enough, are you ready to step into the change now and start defining yourself without the stories, without the limiting stories that you think are so justified? And they're so necessary, in a sense, to carry into this moment, because look at my results. Look at these outer circumstances. So this must be true. I must still be this kind of person. No. It is your decision in this moment. It is always you defining yourself in some way that makes you that way in this moment, and creating this kind of continuity. Like, yeah, I am this person, this is my past and this is how things are, and the future as it manifests, it's all now, but it seems to kind of look and feel the same way because you're defining yourself in the same way over and over. And I'm creating a program at the moment that's going to teach you all of this and so much more, so that you can have these quantum jumps, these quantum shifts so simply and instantly. So this is an invitation from me to you in this moment. Well, if you prior, when I asked you, okay, who do you think you are? Who are you? What reality are you in right now? If now you're going to realize, oh, I can actually define it in any way. And I'm not trying to convince myself of anything. I'm not trying to change anything. I don't need to. Everything's a reflection of me. I'm simply making a new decision about myself. I am acknowledging that I am literally a new person in every single moment. Literally a new person. So which one am I now? Which one? Am I the person who still has things to work on, that has all these fears and all these doubts and all these blocks? Or am I the person who is now fully expressing themselves in the way that they wish to, no matter what, and living fully and living joyfully? You could be more specific with that, but that's just an example of, like, in this moment, you contain it all. You contain everything. You are everything. You are the all. You already contain everything that you need to be who you want to be and to have what you want to have. It's already here. It's already yours. It's already within you, literally. So from all of the potentials, all of the options, all of the choices in this moment, which will you choose? Do you want to choose that story? Does it still feel good to you to practice that? Do you want to choose this one? Do you want to choose that one? Who are you? So now state again to yourself, or if you want to pop it in the comment section, who are you now? What's your new decision? What reality are you in now? How are you now choosing to redefine yourself? Knowing that you can. Sometimes that's all it takes for someone to have a big shift and a huge momentum into, like, forward into a whole different version of your life, parallel reality, different version of you instantly in the moment. It's always instant. It never happens over time. You can create that illusion, but it's always instantaneous that you change or shift. So, who do you say you are? Who do you choose to be? What is your truth now? Remembering that for everything's true to some degree. There are as many truths as there are perspectives. So there are infinite perspectives, right? Which means there are infinite truths. So which perspective will you take right now? What choice will you make right now? Which will then reflect something new back to you. And again, you're not making these choices in order to try and manifest something and try and make things change. It's simply acknowledging that you are reality itself. It's not something outside of you. It's not something that you're trying to achieve outside of you. It is something that you are. It is something that's always within you, and now you're simply choosing more consciously in the direction that you prefer. You might say, okay, well, I want to redefine myself in this way. I want to choose this story. I want to choose to know that I am this person, that I'm in this reality, because what I say goes. But because of these circumstances and because of this, it feels like I can't. That's an illusion. There's no I can't make that choice. There is resisting making that choice. There is finding the stories and the reasons to back up why you're not making that new choice. But it is simply just a choice that you can decide to make in any moment that you will allow yourself to. The other thing that was in that channeled writing was when you're saying, clear my blocks, you're saying, I have blocks. And so you're just continuously in this cycle of I have blocks, I have blocks, I have blocks. I have this problem, I'm in this situation, I'm in this reality, I'm this person. And then you wonder why things don't change, where we have to be more conscious of these choices and realize they're not stuck to us. They're not like something we can't get away from. Not that you need to get away from anything and you shouldn't try. You want to accept and allow everything and just make a new choice. But it's not something that we have to, it's not something that's controlling us. Oh, this programming and I can't get out of it. No, once you're conscious of it, you can make a new conscious choice. There's a version of you who has blocks to fix, and there's another version of you who doesn't. There's a version of you who is this way, and there's a version of you who is that way. Which one are you? Which one are you in this moment? Decide, know that that is all you really need to do. Now act and behave in ways that show that you know this, that you are this new person, and watch how it reflects back to you, because you will attract what you are. All right, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section below by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it, and subscribing. If you would like to work together, that information is in the description box below. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.